Hi guys, it's Valentine's Day and I wanted to make a little surprise for you. So, even though it's not my video day today, I want to share a recipe with you that fits perfectly to Valentine's Day. The sweet fig bread is so soft and so moist. I am sure you will love it. You want to start by adding the eggs to a medium bowl and whisking them shortly just so that you break the egg yolks and mix it with the egg whites. Then you can add the mashed banana and give it another short mix. Now we are adding the yogurt. And as we are not adding any sugar, we are also adding some fig preserve or fig marmalade, and this one has the sugar. So the sugar comes from this marmalade and from the banana. Then mix again until combined. Now to add a bit more texture to our sweet bread, we are also going to chop some dried figs that we are going to add to the batter. So don't chop them too small so that you have nice pieces in your bread. Then just add them into your batter and give a short mix. Now you want to combine all of your dry ingredients and add them to the batter. Here you can switch the fork to a spatula and start folding the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Just fold the batter, so don't mix too hard so that you don't over mix the batter. So just keep on folding until all of the flour has been combined and you don't have any dry spots left. Then you want to take a bread pan and butter it well. I'm using coconut oil here because I just love to use it for this purpose. It's really easy to butter the pans with the coconut oil, but you can just use butter instead if you like. Then transfer the batter into the bread pan and even it out. The complete recipe and the baking instructions can be found from the link to my website, which is in the description box. In the meantime, we can prepare the blood orange icing. If you cannot get blood oranges, just use regular oranges, or you can also use lemon if you like. You want to start adding a little of the juice to the icing sugar and mixing in between, so that you will make sure that you don't add too much of the juice to the sugar. Also, just a little tip, you might also want to sift your icing sugar so that you won't need to mix forever to get rid of all of the lumps. Heads up for me for the next time. Once your bread has baked, remove it from the oven and allow it to cool for about 10 to 15 minutes before removing it from the pan. Then remove it from the pan and allow it to cool further until it's completely cooled on a cooling rack. Once your bread has cooled completely, you can add the icing on top. If your icing has hardened up, you can mix it to get it softer, or if that doesn't help, you can add a little bit of juice to make it runnier again. Then just spread the icing evenly over your bread. And then, while the icing is still wet, you want to sprinkle over some poppy seeds. And on this note, I would like to wish you a happy Valentine's Day. I hope you're having a great day and enjoying something sweet, maybe even this delicious sweet fig bread. I hope you enjoyed watching this last Valentine's Day video for this year, and if you did, please don't forget that thumbs up and subscribe for some more delicious recipes and fun tutorials. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.